What are you going to transform into?
Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime, let's go. Whoa, shoot over this way. Let me see how you shoot.
Yes.
Now what are you ready? Shoot 5. Whoa. It's pretty good shooting. Now what are you ready to transform into? Let's go, Megatron. Come over here. Megatron is a plane. You're running now? Let me see how fast you can run. Hey, come here. Hey. Can you tell Mom, say, Mom, you're a pretty princess. Now come up and tell the camera. Come up and tell the camera.
Mom, you're a princess.
I am? Are you a princess? What are... See you later, Mommy. Hey, come here. Sorry, this video was terrible. Gotcha. Hey, are you a princess?
No.
What are you?
Big princess.
You're a big princess?
Yeah.
Or are you a prince?
Prince.
How old are you?
2.
2? Did you have a birthday? I have a swimsuit string. Can't go anywhere, I got you. Who's ready to go swimming? Do you want to go in the pool? Hey, do you know how to jump in the pool without anyone there?
Yeah.
Do you know how to drown? Almost, huh? You're almost there. Say, see you later.
See you later, Mommy. Mama.